Hello everyone. This video is about Leila Cavett. She's 21 years old and she's a missing woman. She's a single mom to a 2-year-old named Kamdyn. According to Leila's family, Leila is a loving and dedicated mom. She never goes anywhere without her son, and Kamdyn's father said that Leila is a good mom and he knows she would never abandon their son. He and Leila co-parent, but they are not a couple. Their son is 2-year-old Kamdyn, and this case is in the national news because on Sunday, July 26th, Kamdyn was found wandering alone in a soiled diaper near an apartment complex in Miramar, Florida. Police completely canvassed the neighborhood trying to find the little boy's parents and trying to identify him. They even brought in bloodhounds to see if they could track where the baby boy had walked from and whether they could locate any adults who knew him. 12 hours into the search, when they still had no clue who he or his parents were or how he ended up where he was found, the Miramar Police Department tweeted his picture and asked that it be shared far and wide. The Florida Department of Children and Families took custody of the baby while law enforcement continued to search for answers. On July 27th, family members in Alabama and Tennessee who recognized Kamdyn's photo made contact with law enforcement and made their way to Florida to help look for Leila and try to get Kamdyn out of foster care. The family was very confused about how or why the little boy was found in Florida because he and his mother live in Georgia. On July 28th, Leila's truck, a white Silverado 3500 pickup truck with a baby on board sign in the window, was found in a parking lot in Hollywood, Florida, which is quite a ways from where Kamdyn was found. Kamdyn's father is Dannylee West, age 35. He and Leila are not a couple, but they have a good co-parenting relationship. Daniel lives in Georgia, and he last spoke to Leila on the morning of July 24th. He has submitted DNA and is working to get custody of Kamdyn from the state of Florida. He's very concerned for Leila's safety, as he is sure she would never leave Kamdyn alone. And he actually said, "Leila's a great mom. She would do anything for our son." Leila Cavett, once again, is 21 years old. She's 5 feet 4 inches tall, and she weighs about 120 pounds. She has a tattoo on the inner side of her right arm that says Kamdyn in cursive writing, and she also has a small tattoo of the Christian symbol known as a Jesus fish on her right wrist. The FBI has joined the investigation. Kamdyn is safe, but there is still no word on what happened, where Leila Cavett is, or why her son was found wandering alone about 15 miles from where her truck was found. Anyone with information that might help locate Leila Cavett should call 954-493-8477. That's a Crimestoppers number. Thank you for watching Another Day in the Car with Jules. Anyone